my darling people. Today topic na about one guy wey no all those guys now we say shame true not the finish for their eye. Now then I want to talk to today because some guys their shame true part two not dey. How can a man go just sit down say na shame true he can't do for life? You go say na shame true now he can't do for life. The guy somebody come dey interview am. I go put the video more and see am. When they interview am, then they ask and say why he sleep for train station. The boy say in they go, I say they come back again. In see you for train station. What you they do? He say na your girlfriend drive am for outside, you know. Now in the boy come to tell am say you sure? He say yes. So in they give, don't be saying not they work. In they do sure sometimes. In no know what he do the girl those things, you know. I call the shock Salah. I say how you go there okay for girl? They give girl money, girl go see come they do you like that, come put you for outside. Why they do this video? Be say our boys say they don't want to work now because of them now they do this video. Many boys they don't want to work. Shame true. They go just believe on shame true. They go believe onto the shop women money. Only that one that be their work. Now he make her they do this video so. You see what happen to that boy now? See they outside now they sleep for street so. Now waiting go they happen to many of you now. Now be that one. How can a man go just come life say na shame true you can't do for life? Work not go let them work again. As also to the eat woman money. Now only that one be their own. Maybe they eat woman money. Maybe they eat woman money. Only that one now be their own. My one bonga people, as I say the video, now say make I can't talk put because I notice say our boys too like shame true. Shame true not the finish for their eye again. Shame true for everywhere. So my darling people. Now say man can't do am. In case if you get brother we be say in they do shame true, make you tell am make it stop. Because wetin happen to this boy, it go happen to am. You understand? So make we stop, make boys stop to the do shame true, make they go work. Work full everywhere. Work, they not go want work. They go they look for quick money, they look for woman money where they want they eat for everywhere. You see the wetin happen to this boy now. Even the guy where interview himself, the boy knows na lie they lie. The boy even the verse for am when they even talk. The boy tell am say he not believe you because una too they lie. Una too they lie. Una stop to do shame true, una not go here. Stop men, una go work. Work full everywhere. Work una not go one work. Una go just come Europe, come they do shame true. Come they look for women money when want they eat, they go for everywhere. It not good, do not understand. It not good. So I beg my darling people, make we try to the work. Make boys, make una get up, una they work. Because I believe say if that guy they work, the girl for not drive for outside. But work, no go let her work. If friends go even tell her say, come work. Oh no, you want do shame true. You see what they see for shame true now. You see the way the girl now take drive you for outside now. Now waiting most of una go they get, now be that one. Waiting many of una go they get, now be that one. Man they do shame true again, una no go here. Man go just prefer me woman they give her money. How long the woman go take they give you money? How long? You don't go even think about your life. You don't go think say this thing when I do so now good thing. No, now only to the eat woman money. Now only that one I come for now. Only to the do shame true for everywhere. Only that one I be on business. Una not go want do another thing for una life again. Now they cause all those shame true of a thing. Because I equally, especially boys for that side, shame true everywhere. They not go want work. I don't say some of them, I don't know what to be shame true. Shame true na man where they shop my money. Man where no want work. Man where they depend on woman. Now it be shame true. Man where they depend on woman. Man where no want work. Man where just believe say he just come this world, come mumu, come they collect woman money. Now because of them, now they do this video. You understand? They must supposed to get up work. Work, woman go respect you. Don't be say you go just there, you don't go work. You just rely on woman money. How long woman go till they give you money? They will give money finish, they go insult you. Because the girl don't fit carry liability again. Now you drive the boy. It not fit again. Because enough is enough. So mona stop to the do shame true. Una no go here. Shame true not they pay our boys. See, mona go work. Mona go work. Now they watch a one of Paris. I see where one man they say one woman shopping money. I say they say me the woman can't pay. But when me go the shop with my own they say me they leave and me they forgive them. I said now wow, this life no balance. I go put the video more and watch my darling people. Thank you, everybody.
This guy went there, so now I will my portion come off for us when they go up this morning. See now time now almost 9 o'clock for Temolia. This guy still there. Man near ma ask a question. One at the list, you know. Now those central boys when they leak to now see us now. Man near now see us now. Since morning night day yo they know. Bros.
Bros, good evening.
I greet you, bro. So, let me greet you that time when they go work this morning.
Bros, I agree to that time, bros.
Yes, but bros, this morning they I tell you the way to your train. What did happen?
Bros, Abeg you been.
Oh, we are doing here, but speak English because when they go, I see you say you there with all this your bag. I can't say maybe now train they wait for, but you still there. What did happen now, bros?
Bless you, bros. Man, not lie for you, bros.
I know the year you talk loud now.
This morning, now you're there, bros. This morning, you're there, but now you're sleep.
What happened?
You know what happened, bros?
No.
Now, woman maybe say, now Nigerian for the friend this girl, they come. Now it seems my entire road.
So if they talk now, they shake now. I know say cold day.
Bros, I live for Nigeria. And this girl, can you say make an entire road, bros? See my entire road.
No vessel. Which year be that one?
Bros, now 2015 years so. Now me call entire road. Now I do return for Italy. Yeah.
That was about 5 years ago now.
Yes, bros, me and they room since then. We do everything together. We live. Even I can't go short.
You now your wife, you marry her?
Bros, now my mama say my wife. Based on my mama know me, my people know me.
But you never put money for yet.
No, bros, I never put money for yet. But at least they don't recognize me now. I'm more marrying.
And what you call happen now?
Bros, see, come and take go show now. I assist that girl, bros. I assist her. She get, bros. You know what to tell me? Say yesterday the matter you happen. That girl come for we for Gozo for road work. Just come, bros.
Can a road work she they do?
Then I road work I need to go show, bro. I can't believe my bag with this.
I see.
Bros, now they tell me say like this, like your combo. Tell me say part of you will move. Baby, what did happen? Yeah, I move. Go see.
Una quarrel?
No, me tell my joke, bros. Because me, now I'm the stay. If I I'll make food. Go to the come. Maybe don't make Bangkok people for grant. Me don't make food. Come on, make a specific call whether I eat because me never eat. Sleep. Now you come say, you tap me say, baby, you go move. What did they say? Move go here. He say, Abeg, my ex-boyfriend don't come back to me. So I go move.
But the girl now, since how many years now don't they together?
You calculate us now, how much to 5 years now? Yes, let them say, me I go move. That's how baby. What did they have? Because when meeting a play, like the first time, meeting a play. You can say, baby, what did they happen? You just start to arrange my bag, say, make her move. Say, a boyfriend, so that you call police for me. I can't beg her, say, baby, make you calm down.
Una de quarrel?
You never quarrel before, bros. If I lie to you, bros, even yesterday night, I 4 times now I fuck this girl. Say,
but bro, I not believe you. You be central. More than the thought truth. Una not they work for Italy. Una they do central. Now they leak Toto. Now Toto is the leak now. I know the video I hear on my phone. How woman will you carry Porsche? You say now your woman. What?
Almost 5 years now. We don't take day.
But look your head now. Not be you at the sea so. Bro, you be central. Bro, shut up, you be central, you dey leak Toto. You know so why now, no make